back to my channel. Today's recipe is really going to bring you back to your childhood years. We're going to be preparing a strawberry white hot chocolate mix. And anytime you want to enjoy a warm and comforting cup, simply mix a spoonful into your milk of choice. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to start this mix, I'm adding to my blender 4 simple ingredients. The first one is 1 cup of powdered milk, along with the second ingredient, 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Now make sure that these are real white chocolate and not just flavored. You'll really be able to tell the difference in taste. Now for the third ingredient, it's 1 cup of freeze-dried strawberries. I found these ones at Trader Joe's, and they also carry them at Whole Foods. Using these freeze-dried strawberries will make this mix shelf-stable, which is great because you'll be able to whip up a hot chocolate whenever you feel like it. Now for the fourth ingredient, it's 3/4 cups of sugar going in. You can adjust the sweetness to the mix when you actually make your hot chocolates. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post every other day. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my unique recipes. Now, these ingredients will work with any other freeze-dried fruit. You can try blueberries or even freeze-dried bananas, which is just heavenly in taste. When I made this recipe, I was just playing around with this Nutri Bullet. You don't necessarily need to use this. You could simply just pulse this in your food processor until it becomes this powdered form. And once it's ready, you want to store this in an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dry place. Whenever you feel like making your hot chocolate, simply warm up your milk of choice until it's nice and hot and add a spoonful of this mixture to your cup and mix all of that hot milk inside. One thing that I love about this mix is all of those delicious little pieces of strawberry that rehydrate in all of that liquid. This rich and decadent strawberry white hot chocolate is just heaven in a cup. Just one sip and you'll never want to go back to that artificial kind again. For those of you who enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes.